Hello everyone, my name is Gina.
And I'm Legend.
And we would like to officially welcome you to Seasoned Beauties. If this is your first time visiting with us on today,
welcome, and if you like this video, then give it a thumbs up.
Okay, and thank you so much for choosing to check us out. If you are returning, thank you so much, you girls. Really do appreciate it. Either way, if you are currently not subscribed to the Seasoned Beauties family, go ahead, hit that subscribe button below. Claim your leaf on the tree, because there is more than enough room on this family tree just for you. Now, our video on today, you see I got my sidekick over here with me, and I got my other one on the other side of the camera. So, our video on today, we will be unboxing
the CurlBox box.
CurlBox box, y'all. You heard that, right? Okay, our video on today, we will be unboxing the
CurlBox Heavy.
Okay, and this is for the month of August 2019. Now, for those of you who are not familiar with CurlBox, listen as we go along. We'll give you some hints, and there's also a link below where you can sign up if you like what you see. So, when we open the box, the first thing we see is
a card. Oh, what is this, a card?
Girl, you ought to know what that is. Your grand rolls hard with these.
This is a coupon.
Woo, a coupon for $1 off.
So this month's CurlBox theme is I'm the Magic, and this is the card, and this is what it looks like.
Okay. And what's on the inside of that card?
There's a words on the inside of the card.
She's so silly. Okay, and on the inside of our description card, there is a letter from the editor, and
the magic in your life is you.
Is you. All right, I'm here for that. I am here for that. So, what else is in here?
Oh, it's a note. That's what it is.
Really? That's how we roll it?
Yeah.
And you got to talk so they can hear you.
I'm guessing this is a note. This says, "Hey, curl friend, show off your style."
Okay.
To see how you use the products in this month's box, tag us with #CurlBox on Instagram. Okay. Show off your products or your hairstyle for your chance to win this month's prize. Ooh, a prize. I'm so entering.
Okay, let's see. Now with CurlBox, you get all full-size items. So let's see. She's peeling back the paper. And the first thing that comes out, let's do in the order by which you do your hair. And the first thing is Cocoa Butter and Biotin Length Retention Shampoo. It says sulfate and silicone-free formula is gentle enough for all hair types and textures. Perfect for dry, textured, or chemically treated hair. And what's the size on that?
This is 350 milliliters, 12 fluid ounces.
Okay, good stuff. Why don't you tell me how that smells? That smells good? Okay, good
If
stuff.
this were food, I would totally eat it.
Okay, so that would be item number 1. The second item we have is, okay, this one is the Cocoa Butter and Biotin Length Retention Conditioner. Also sulfate and silicone free. Gentle enough for all hair types and textures. Perfect for dry, textured, or chemically treated hair. And it enhances slip formula. That's good to know. That is good to know. And the size on this one is also
350 milliliters, 12 fluid ounces.
Okay. And then, okay, that is item number 2. Item number 3 is
Cocoa Butter and Biotin Length Retention Leave-In Conditioner.
Okay. This one, oh, it's a spray. This one is the spray. And it's a heat protectant leave-in conditioner. It moistures and detangles all in one.
Oh, I'm going to use this on my hair today.
Oh, well, when you take your braids out. That should so seriously work. Okay, the next item that we have is it, and what is that, young lady?
It says Cocoa Butter and Biotin Length Retentioning Serum.
Okay. Shine Glaze. All right. Okay, let's just hand. Let me see. Oh, guess what? It's double sealed.
Oh,
That's good. That's always good because you know it's very well protected. See? Ah, why are you taking the top off?
because I'm going to use it.
Well, I guess we're using this one. Legend, don't hold it that way because you don't want it to spill out. Got it?
Aha! I win.
Okay, good stuff. Oh, it smells nice. That smells really nice. Are you stuffed? You can't smell it if you're stuffed. Anyway. Okay, let's see. Let's do a little bit. Okay, rub it. Pull it through on your coils. Mm-hmm.
This?
Yep. Oh, that adds some nice shine.
It's shiny again.
And it's not real crunchy. How's it smell?
It smells so good.
Okay, good stuff.
Now I want some ramen. Yep, definitely
What does
gonna
that
eat
have
some
to do
ramen.
with anything? Look, Saran, you're supposed to be helping me over there. Why is she over here talking about eating ramen?
It's legend we're talking about.
Well,
That's true.
I
Okay.
did say I was gonna eat the first one if it was food. So.
Oh, Lord have mercy. Okay, and the last product is...
Cocoa Butter and Biotin Length Retentioning Cream Styler.
Okay. And this one... Okay, I need you to open that because this says it's a cream / gel.
Oh.
Is that one double sealed too? No?
No.
Okay. It says it's a cream gel styler hybrid. Oh. That smells nice. Well, it's time for my braids to come out anyway, so I guess we'll be using this. All right, and it says it defines a variety of curly textures, and it's a weightless formula. All right, I am so here for this. All right, now according to this is available at Sally's only, exclusively at Sally's. So the only place that you can go and purchase this one, this particular line, would be at Sally's Beauty.
I realized that we didn't tell you what the sizes were for the serum. This one is 100 milliliters, 3.4 fluid ounces.
Okay.
And then, that was the serum. And then this one right here, 200 milliliters and 7 fluid ounces.
Okay. Still all full-size products. Now,
Still very good smelling.
yes, absolutely. And these are the contents of this month, August 2019 CurlBox. This is the Palmers Cocoa Butter Formula.
Honestly, as soon as I smelled all of them, I got hungry.
That's really saying a lot. She's always hungry. But, so for those of you who are not familiar with CurlBox, CurlBox is $25 each month, and that does include the shipping. And as you see, you get full-size products, okay, all that are designed with curly hair, natural hair in mind. Yes, it's just for us. So, if you like what you see, check out CurlBox.com for yourself. Get on the list so you can have it shipped to you each and every month. Now, as always, regardless of the season that you are in, you will always be
a seasoned beauty.
Until next time, my sidekick is a goofball.